In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track goals in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and how to interpret what you see so you can quickly understand how your work is progressing. First, head over to the Goals section in the sidebar. This is your central hub for high-level objectives. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover near the edge to expand it, and then look for goals alongside your other navigation items. Opening this space gives you a clear, organized view of all the goals available to you in your current workspace, grouped by team or area, depending on how your organization is set up. Think of it as the scoreboard for your strategy. Everything important is summarized here for quick reference. Next, select the specific goal you want to track. Clicking into a goal opens its detail view where the context becomes much richer. You'll typically see the goal's owner, time frame, and any related description that explains what success looks like. If you don't immediately see the goal you're looking for, it might be filtered by team or visibility settings, so make sure you're viewing the right area. Once inside the goal, focus on the information that explains not just what the goal is, but how it's being measured and who is accountable. This context helps you interpret progress accurately. Now, review the progress bar and the completion status. The progress bar gives you a visual indicator of how far along the goal is, often as a percentage. It reflects updates made to the goal's metric or milestones and can be influenced by linked work such as projects or key results if your organization uses them. The completion status tells you the current state at a glance, whether the goal is on track, needs attention, or has been completed. Look for cues like the target value, the current value, and the due date to understand whether the pace matches the plan. If the progress bar is moving steadily and the dates align, you're likely on a good trajectory. If the bar is stalled or behind the expected pace, treat that as a prompt to investigate further by reviewing recent updates and notes in the goal's activity. As you track, remember that consistency is key. Regularly checking the progress bar and completion status helps you spot trends early, celebrate wins, and identify risks before they become blockers. That's all there is to it. Go to Goals in the sidebar, select the goal you want to track, and review the progress bar and completion status to get a clear, up-to-date picture of how your work is moving forward.